guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lola. So today we're gonna do this corner table makeover. I got this for $3 from thrift store. You can see it's scratched all over and we need to fix a little bit, but after that it will be gorgeous again. So let's start. Let's do something today. So prepping time, so we're gonna clean this and after that sand it, clean it again and paint. So guys, we finished sanding this table, but too bad the top I sanded too deep to the veneer. So my first thought is I want to refinish by restain this, but I guess right now we just paint it. And today's color is paint from Walmart, color ready, and the color is Zeppelin. Basically it's gray. So let's start it. So we are trying a new paint today that we bought in Walmart based on some videos recommendations, and I don't like it. It's too liquid. I stir it, I shake it. It's just very liquid and it's very thin. Let's just see what happened. Maybe 3-4 coats. I will try. But if it's not happening, I will change the color. not happy. Seriously, look at this. This is after a third coat and it still look like, I don't want to say it, it just doesn't look good. So I don't like the paint, I don't like the texture, I don't like the color, so it's okay, lesson learned. And if things don't go your way, you just create something. Like I made this color, what I mean is I mix black and white color. I cannot tell you the ratio. I just pour and pour and pour until I like the color, and let's see. You see this? I like it. It's gray, dark gray with a little bit bluish color, maybe, I guess. What do you think, guys? You like it? It's so much better than than whatever it is. So yeah, I like it. I think we will use this color. But remember, okay, when you paint, and you have to stir it because you're mixing two colors. So make sure you get the same result for all parts of the piece. Okay, so it's one coat. I'm happy. I'm really happy with the color. And one is we wait until it's dry and then back for the second coat. Okay, we're gonna go to the next step, wipe on poly to seal the paint, to make sure the surface, everything, all the surfaces that we painted is not gonna be damaged or scratched easily, so we protect it with wipe on poly. It's good for the first coat, and I'll come back to give a second coat, especially to the top. Maybe I will give 3 coats as usual because I want it to be protected. You put stuff on the top, right? So I will come back in 3 to 4 hours and I will give the second coat. think. Leave your comment, okay? And if you know someone that will like this kind of content, kindly share it with them because it will help my channel to grow bigger. So don't forget to do something today and like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next project. Tada!